Storytelling, terrific insights. Have done my research. More friendly, more respectful, more funnier without lawful restrictions. Policy safe. You cannot escape my love. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back. Today we're talking about the most unstoppable force in the universe. Wholesome affection, not scary, not weird, just positive vibes. One, automatic food sharing. You cannot escape my love. I already gave you the last slice. Real friendship is measured in pizza sacrifices. 2. The playlist trap. You cannot escape my love. I made a 7-hour playlist called Songs That Reminded Me of You. Emotional damage powered by music. 3. Hoodie situation. You cannot escape my love. Your hoodie is now officially a community property. Hoodie mysteriously disappear around caring people. 4. The gamer backup plan. You cannot escape my love. I keep reviving you. Even though you run into a danger 14 times. Legendary teammate, patience unlocked. 5. The airport welcome. You cannot escape my love. There's already a giant welcome sign. Your nickname on it. Maximum embarrassment equals maximum friendship. 6. The karaoke commitment. You cannot escape my love. Is I sang your favorite song terribly but confidently. Confidence defeats vocal accuracy. 7. The birthday countdown. You cannot escape my love. I started reminding everyone about your birthday 13 months early. Party planning becomes a military operation. 8. The group photo expert. You cannot escape my love. I took 87 photos so nobody looks blurry. One good picture requires great sacrifices. 9. The room comrade. Energy. You can't escape my love. I bought snacks, water, tissues, and emergency backup snacks. Preparedness level superhero. 10. The holiday gift wrap. You cannot escape my love. Your gift wrapping has more than the actual gift. Opening presents became a puzzle challenge. The pet approval. You cannot escape my love. Even dogs get excited when you arrive. Animal approval is the honest honor. 12. The study session. You cannot escape my love. I explain the lesson using memes and snacks. Educational but entertaining. 13. The weather warning. You cannot escape my love. I told you to bring umbrella 19 times. Caring people becomes a human weather apps. 14. The road trip DJ. You cannot escape my love. I already prepared the ultimate sing-along playlist. Every road trip needs dramatic music moments. 15. The positive energy finale. You cannot escape my love because kindness keeps coming back around the world. Good vibes are impossible to block.